So hello everyone, today we will be doing string concatenation in Python. So yeah, let's get right in. Okay, so let's get into the string concatenation. So we'll change my scene here and get my camera to work. Okay, so my camera's working, and let's get straight into this tutorial. So what we will do is we'll open up Sublime Text first, and yeah, so we'll open that, and now we'll go into File, New File. You'll click on that, you'll type it in, you'll say Save, and name it String Concatenation. That's what I've named it, but you can name it whatever you want. Okay. Make sure it's a Python file, by the way, otherwise this will not work, and you'll have to delete this file and make another one. It's just too complicated. So the first thing that you want to do is, if you're going in Sublime Text like me, then the first thing you want to do is you want to go into Preferences. You want to make sure Package Control is on, or it's installed. You will go into, if it's not, then go into Package Settings, Package Control, and then Settings, and I think you click it like that or something like that. I don't know. No, it's like this, and then this will say ... You click on it, and yeah. So once you have it installed, you want to go into Package Control, and you want to say Install Package. Now you want to say Sublime REPL. So REPL. That one I already have installed, so it's not coming up. But then you will go into Tools, and after it's installed, you'll go into here, say Python, and yeah, whatever. That's too long, so I'll have to X out of that because that always is annoying. So now you want to go into Preferences. Now in Package Settings, you'll find Sublime REPL. And yeah, then go into Key Bindings, and in here, please just I'll put this in the description down below. This is the key thing, or the keys that you need. Yeah. So 1 second, I just want to see how long that is. 735. Nice. Okay, so after you have this pasted in, what you want to do is you want to save this, first of all, which is Ctrl+S, by the way, and you want to X out of that like that. Now, let's get into coding. So I know that took a long time, but now it should all work fine. And remember, the shortcut is ctrl+alt+b. And if you want to just run a random file in Sublime, then it would be Ctrl+B. Okay, so let's get into this. And so I'm just going to make this a bit bigger. And yeah, so now we'll make a variable called name. Oops, why is that not? Name. Okay. So name, we'll set that equal to the input of please tell me your name. Oops, if I can type name. There we go. Now we'll say print. Oops, man, I can't type. Print. Then we'll say name, and yeah. So we'll save this. Ctrl+S. Oops, Ctrl+S. And now we will run it. So now we'll go Ctrl+alt+B. Please tell me your name. I will say AYUSH. Ayush, REPL closed. It's nice. Okay, you know what? I feel like making my screen bigger is less efficient, but it's much better. Never mind, it's not. Okay. So, yeah. Yeah, so that's input and all that stuff. We had another video on that. That should be up there. But yeah. So, string concatenation basically means to add on to. So you will say hello, and we will say plus, and I'm in a good mood today, so I'm gonna say plus an exclamation mark. So we'll save this, ctrl+alt+b. Please tell me your name. AYUSH. Why do I have caps lock on? Oh my god, I can't type. AYUSH. My caps lock, my god. AYUSH. Let's just say that's my name. Now, you see, there's a problem. We're not putting any space. So, we could do that by either going like this, which works. So if I save this and I ctrl+alt+b, then if I X that out, AYUSH, that works, but I think that's a little too much. So in this case, we can just say, if we're putting plus signs, we can just say that. So that's pretty much it. Ctrl+alt+b. Please tell me your name, and I will say AYUSH. Whatever, AYUSH, hello. Okay. It's good. So, that's good. Now, there's also another way. If we wanted to not have plus, because plus is a bit too long, right? So you go like this, hold shift, plus. That's just way too long. So, all you can do is you can put a comma, space, name, plus that. That works too. I'm not kidding. So close that, and I'll say AYUSH. That works too. So yeah. So that means that commas are literally. So I'm just gonna make a comment here. It says commas are equal to commas are equal to that. Okay, that's the comment. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically what you can do with string concatenation. There's a lot more that you can do. Like if you're literally typing a sentence, like hello name, and it says like hello name, and then I say plus you have been recruited for a mission. Something like that. I don't know what I'm typing. So I'll say AYUSH. Hello Ayush, you have been recruited for a mission. So that is exactly what it's doing. So that was really good. Like string concatenation, it can be used for a lot of things. That's why I'm making a video on this. Next one is classes, and then the one after that will be might be surprise. It's how we live with classes and everything we've known. So, see you then, I guess. And yeah, so, yeah.